Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be my second video, and we are going to go over filament. I have boxes of filament that I have received while I'm waiting for my 3D printer, and just going to go over and see what I got. Let's do it. So, first of all, let me go ahead and say I'm in no way sponsored by anybody. I bought all this filament on my own, and all of this is from Bambu Labs. The reason why is because that's where I bought my printer, and that's who I'm going to try out first. And down the road, we'll try out some other brands, and we'll be able to compare the two. Good key. All right, let's get into the first bag here. See what we got. All right. So this looks like PLA Basic Beige. We got the beige. So here's the beige. This one I got the refill, so no spool on it. A lot of the colors I was looking at didn't have it with the spool, and I just had to get the refills. I also bought a couple of the refillable spools. So I mean, color looks good. I mean, it almost looks a little more pink than what I would expect. And I've also seen a few items out there in the reviews when they use beige is that there is a little bit more pink. But we'll see when we get it all busted out and do a little print on it. All right, now let's get into the boxes. There also is going to be, hopefully, a couple other things that I ordered from Bambu in these boxes, not just filament. So we'll go. This is exciting. We got a little air savers in here protecting them. Looks like we got first one, PLA Basic Pink. This is another refill, no spool. Oh, I like that pink though. Pink, it's my new obsession. That's nice. That's a cool color. I have two daughters, so I'm assuming I'm going to use quite a bit of pink. They all come with the silica in there, kind of keep it dry. I'll probably hold on to those two and utilize them once I take them out of the package and store them. Try and keep them as dry as possible. Next one we got PLA Basic Black. You know we're going to need some black, a lot of black. Yeah, another refill. It seems like they, at least the last time I've gone on there, it's a lot of refills, not a lot of Swiss spools. They must be low on spools. But it's definitely black. You all probably seen black. Okay. Another black. And PLA Basic Yellow. This was an extra ad. I realized I didn't order yellow originally, and I know I'm going to need it. Busy Bee Creations Gonna be probably doing some things around bees. But yeah, that's a nice yellow. I like that. I also wanted to get their sunflower yellow, but they have been sold out of the sunflower yellow since I decided I wanted to get it. And one of the cool things that Bambu offers is notification when a filament comes in. So you just tell it, notify me when this filament comes in stock. They shoot you an email. It's pretty good. That's how I ended up getting all this black, because when I first originally ordered my filament, they were out of black. So, but was able to get it, and hopefully I'll get a notification on that sunflower yellow. All right, a little bigger box here.
Oh, what's in the box?
So I'm guessing there might be the ones with spools, because I only got 2 refillable spools, which is not gonna be enough looking at all this. All right. Oh, PETG Red with spool. That's interesting. I didn't realize this red was PETG, but that's fine. I actually want to get a couple rolls of PETG so I can try it out, do some prints, and see the difference. You know, definitely want to be able to learn how to print with both of them, PETG and PLA, and hopefully down the road do some other filaments. So, but that also means I'm gonna probably need to go on there today and order some PLA red. Yeah, see that? This one comes with the spool. That looks like a nice red. I like that. What else we got in here? PLA matte charcoal. Oh yeah. See, I think when I first ordered my printer and getting my filament, I got this one, and obviously I didn't read it and thought it was black, but it was charcoal, matte charcoal, which I also think is going to be pretty cool. I'm already thought about a few cool things to print with it. But yet again, another refill. I'm going to definitely need to order some spools. This is pretty cool. I think we won't get a real good look at it until we print something and get it out of the package. I don't want to take them out of the plastic yet, obviously. Going to keep them in there as long as I can before I need them. Keep them dry. And a little package. Let's see what else we got here. The anti-vibration feet. So I got these. I didn't know if I need them, but it sounded like something that would probably be helpful. So, yep, got so eight feet. All right, one more box. Hopefully some with some spools, and hopefully some actual spools. Now I'm thinking about it, because I know I ordered 2 reusable spools. This one is PLA Basic Orange. We need some orange. Another refill. Another refill. I think we've all seen oranges used quite a bit. But looks good. I already have a couple prints designed and ready for when I get my printer that is going to use orange. So definitely gonna need that. And another PLA Basic Orange. We won't open that one up just because we just looked at one. Oh. This is just a reusable spool. Perfect. so we're not going to be struggling quite yet. Packaged it in this reusable honeycomb. Take it apart so you can check it out. And make sure to hold on to this so one day when I start selling stuff, reuse. Yeah, I mean, it just looks just like the spools that they come on. I know. Yep, you just twist, pull, boom. There we go. Clicks right in. Perfect. Keep it in the box. Alright, what else we got here? PLA Basic White with a spool. Perfect. What was that? Yeah, just basic, not matte. Yeah, definitely white. Yeah. How it kind of gives a little gauge there. You can kind of see where it's, you know, 800 grams, 600, 400, 200. I don't know if you can see that, but cool. Obviously, going to use a lot of white. Ooh, nice one. Here's PLA Basic Cotton Candy Cloud. I wanted to see this one. This one looked cool online. I saw some designs with it, and it looks really cool. This one came with a spool as well. Oh yeah. See, I think this one was going to be killer. Cotton Candy Cloud. Definitely be able to see that better once we take it out of the plastic, but excited to do some prints with that. The daughters are going to really like that. But we only got one reusable spool, which I thought I at least ordered 2, so I'll have to see. Maybe we got something else out there. But yeah, so that's my first haul of Filament. You can see how many we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No. Oh, 11. 11. Yeah, 11 spools. Yeah, it's gonna be good. And I still have a handful of colors I want to get my hands on. And once I start getting into it and start printing a little bit more, obviously I want to try out some other brands of filament. And so that'll be something down the road. Maybe we'll do a comparison, go over kind of what I like most of some and others. Yeah, so yeah, I'm excited. Awesome. I will go ahead and link these filaments down in the comments below. So if you want to check them out and order some, awesome. If you like what you saw. But yeah, that's it for this. I really appreciate everyone hanging out and watching. If you like the video or you have any suggestions of other things you'd like to see, comment down below. And make sure you also smash that subscribe and like button. I really appreciate it. Well, have a wonderful day. See you next time.